Hey guys, what's up? It's Daniel, and I am making another video about my KTM Duke 390. And I know, guys, it has been a really long time since I've made a video about my KTM Duke 390. But you guys, those of you who have watched my KTM Duke 390 videos, this bike is my roots, man. Like, these are the roots of my video, of my channel. My entire channel basically started with this bike. So I've been making a lot of car content, a lot of car meet content, and I have noticed my viewers kind of shift. But trust me, guys, I have not forgotten about the guys who really started this channel. So I'm going to be making a lot more KTM Duke 390 content, starting with this today, because today I actually have a problem. I have my exhaust. In my most recent, I believe my most recent video about this bike, I had I installed my titanium exhaust, but you know, it was from AliExpress and it was pretty cheap, and so I'm not sure if I can find an angle, but the titanium mid pipe has sheared clean off the header. And I've tried fixing it, and it broke even worse this time. So now, it's broken in two spots, actually. It broke right there. You can see how it just got sheared straight off. You can see the header. And so it's, you know, obnoxiously loud. And the other piece here, to hold this onto here, has just sheared clean right off as well. So the whole exhaust system is completely, it's just loose and jerky. It feels ridiculous. It looks ridiculous. It sounds god awful. This is literally a straight pipe, because all it is from the engine is just the header, and then basically it doesn't even go through here anymore because it's just pointing straight out now. So it's ridiculously loud. So now I am going this weekend. I'm going to the Three Sisters in Medina, Texas, near San Antonio. I've made a video about the Three Sisters before, actually. I'll see if I can find it. If I do, I'll put a link to it right here. Check right there, click the link, something should pop out. But yes, we're going this weekend. I'm super excited. It's been a while since I've gone. But obviously I can't go like this. So I'm going to go back to one of my original setups. I had the catalytic converter and this Competition Works chamber delete. I made a video about this in specific. There will be a video link right here. Click on it if you haven't seen this video. But yeah, no, I'm going back to this. I didn't really plan on it, but since this is completely broken, I can't use it. It's completely wasted. So I'm just gonna throw this whole piece away, or I could, I don't know, recycle it and get, I don't know, 30 cents for it, but most likely I'll just throw that away. But I'm putting this back on. It feels bad putting the cat back on, honestly. I feel kind of guilty putting it on, because I don't like cats. Like, I like the cats that go meow, but not this cat, because it takes away a good chunk of the sound. And hold on, where is it? Let me find it, because that's fine if I use the muffler that I have right now, because this new one, which is coming in a new video, don't miss it. This new one I haven't used yet, brand new, and it has the DB killer. The reason I got this one is because the one that I have right now on the bike is missing the DB killer. I've gone through two DB killers. First one flew off on the highway. Second one flew off on, yeah, that's right, the highway. So I don't know where it is. It's somewhere in, I don't know, somewhere in Texas is a DB killer. If you find it, take a picture and send me it, because I wonder where it is. But just kidding. But that thing is gone. So what I'm thinking is, instead of using this titanium piece, which obviously is a waste of time to even try to fix again, I'll use the catalytic converter with the Competition Works downpipe or mid pipe. I always forget what it's called. But yeah, that one with this muffler, and then I'll figure out a situation to do with that new muffler. But for now, I'm just going to install this setup that I had previously. So yeah, let's get right into it. I'm just now starting to see the extent of the damage. I just heard some metal bits falling everywhere. Oh my god. Wow. I just bought this gasket. It was brand new, and now it might be useless, but I don't really have a choice right now. I'm gonna remove the other side now, see how bad the damage is over there. So here's the mid pipe. I actually broke off once here. I went to get it welded, broke off a second time, and then here's what's left of the other side. That's suboptimal. Let's go see the other side. That's what I'm kind of worried about. But yeah, here's the gasket. This gasket was brand new when I put it on, and now it's not brand new. The header is kind of alright. It looks fine. It doesn't really look that damaged, but what I'm thinking is maybe some metal shavings got into the engine. I don't know. I hope not. I don't want to think that. I'm just gonna stay positive and assume it didn't, because honestly, I don't have the time, effort, or well, yeah, I don't have the time or effort to take apart the engine to see. But I do remember hearing some other little metal bit fall somewhere. I don't know where it went. It'll pop out eventually. But yeah, no, the header looks fine. Let's see it from this angle. Yeah, the header looks fine. So I'll keep the titanium header on, and I'll switch everything over to this ugly, heavy catalytic converter, and then the competition works mid-pipe. But yeah, let's get installing the cat. Here we go. Yeah, no, the header seems fine. It's just the cat that I don't like having on. But you know, at this point in time, I really have no option. I don't really have any other exhausts to use. Actually, funny story. Whenever we went to go fix the titanium header, I looked around my exhaust pile, because I have a bunch of exhausts here, to see if I have anything that I could reuse. But I don't have anything here. And then, so, you know, since we didn't have anything, we went to take that to get it welded and get fixed up. When we got back, and when I installed it, after using JB Weld and everything, after getting it properly welded, just to, you know, secure it, then my dad's like, hey, look, what's this? And he finds this. This is a pipe that I bought and never used, because as soon as I got it, the same thing happened with the titanium one. It just ripped off. And the thing is, this was here on the wall, because I managed to wedge it into the wall, because I have, you know, my two original fairings here, and this, but he found this. I could have just used this. Obviously, it wouldn't have been as stable as what I'm about to have now, but it would have not sheared off, because this looks much better made. Also, I don't know what to do with this. It's kind of just kind of here, so I'll figure out what to do with that. Cat is semi on right now. Now I gotta put this on. I forgot how this connection piece works with the grommet, but I'll figure it out. Nothing I can't do. Gasket on here. Perfect. And gasket on here. Oh, perfect. It feels so nice. Alright, let's get this on. So I've been mucking everything up, and what I've noticed is that I'm missing, for some reason, I don't know how, but I'm missing a clamp. I have all the original clamps, but for some reason they don't fit. So I have the clamp here for the cat to the downpipe. That one fits perfectly. I have the downpipe, or the clamp for the header to the cat. That fits. But for some reason, I don't have this one. But I had this one, which was this one, but now this one is over there, and they just got all mixed up, and now they don't fit. Like, I don't even have the right sizes anymore, which is very confusing and honestly somewhat infuriating. So I'll have to buy a brand new clamp. I'll order that immediately, because right now it is Tuesday, and we leave Saturday. So I gotta get this clamp now. I've gotta get the bike ready immediately, and as soon as I get the clamp, I'll make another I guess you could say part to this video, but for this video, I really just wanted to make an update and let you guys know that I still do care about you guys, my KTM Duke 390 viewers, and that I still love my bike. It's still my baby. So yes, like I said, we are going to the Three Sisters in Texas. If you don't know what it is, watch my video. Beautiful roads in San Antonio, but we're gonna go there this weekend. We're gonna leave Saturday, and I just really wanted to have my bike, so I wanted to give you guys an update. I wanted to touch base again, I guess you could say. And yeah, I just want to make more content for my KTM Duke 390. But as soon as I get these clamps, I'll make a video installing them, and I'll make a video of how it sounds, because it sounds, or well, I assume it'll sound very good. I had this set up before, but not quite. I didn't have the titanium header or the titanium link pipe, so technically a new setup. But yeah, I'm excited to hear how it sounds. I hope you guys are too. But yeah, make sure to like, to subscribe if you liked it. If you didn't, leave a dislike and don't subscribe. You know, up to you. But I really want to thank you guys, if you made it this far, for watching. Thank you guys for watching. I'll get this clamp really soon, and I will continue on fixing the bike and getting ready for some awesome content for you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you all in the next one.